Now, when you told Harry O you wanted to really be a part or create a movement between black and browns, did you and him talk about that in any detail, or was it just mentioned that that's what you wanted to do?
No, he said, how you want to do that? So then we started talking about the music video. I had a song that's called Serenata con la Banda. It's a romantic song, but I was going to incorporate brown and blacks inner issues and things like that. You know, I had a whole storyboard written out that I made, but we didn't end up doing it. That was my old team, so I was bringing that idea to him too. But now I have a song about Compton, and it's talking about, you know, blacks and browns and the gang stuff and all that stuff. It's pretty much saying, you know, like, why are we fighting for it? You know what I'm saying? We live here. This is my home. This is your home. You got to get along. You know what I'm saying? And that's the song we're gonna do, and we're gonna really like showcase the two cultures and then the similarities within the cultures.
Now, how did you manage to stay out of trouble? You must have some good family ties, strong family. Tell the people how you just managed. You said you never been to jail. You're not a part of no gang. It looks like you live a righteous life. Also you're a single dad.
Yes,
two kids.
Yeah, single father.
You're taking care of your fatherly responsibilities.
Yes.
Where do all these great values come from?
They come from the Bible. Says, "Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he gets older, he shall not depart from it." I'm a firm believer of that. And the reason I say that is because I grew up in church. That's why I got a taste of, like, you know, the music, you know, in church. And I grew up, I can say I was blessed up until, you know, my teenage years. Still blessed, but blessed to have both parents in the home, you know, my father and my mother. And, you know,
that's powerful right there, because not a lot of families in Compton, whether they're black or Latino,
grow
have
up like that.
A father and a mother in the home.
Look at my family. I'm a single dad. I got 2 children. You know?
Yeah.
And it's not by choice. You know, it's just stuff happens. But yes, I was fortunate to have my mom and dad, and then also after 2005, I had my grandpa as well. So I had 3: my mom, my dad, and my grandpa. And just getting out, I would always go with my grandpa everywhere. My grandpa is a very social guy. He sells socks out of his trunk. So he sells socks in the parking lots. He sells like little fans for the ladies for church. And just that would help me get out there, you know, and meet people. I'm a very talkative person. I love to talk, as you can see. And I feel like what kept me out of trouble is music. 1, kept me out of trouble. 2, horses. I had horses, I had animals, I had roller pigeons. My dad gave me and my brother roller pigeons because he said, hey, this is what kept me out of trouble when I was young. So I had roller pigeons. That's a lot of people in Compton got rollers too. So
explain, a lot of people don't know what those pigeons are.
Okay, so a roller pigeon looks like a regular pigeon, but they have different colors. They have brown ones, they have all types of colors. But what you do is you train them to stay at your house, and when you let them go, they fly, and they fly really high, and then they do backflips. They tumble, and they come back. So I had roller pigeons, and I would every day have to get home and take care of my birds. So I wouldn't have time to be out there running amok doing knucklehead stuff, you know. But and then too, I was kicking it with the paisas, man. We out here fucking going to jaripels. I was going to jaripels is like a rodeo. I was going to rodeos, man. Rodeos, looking at the girls and making horses dance and stuff like that, you know? So that's what kept me out of trouble.
Okay, and then...
I forgot. Yeah, and then also, yeah, I'm a single dad. I have a 5-year-old and a 4-year-old. They're 8 months apart, so they're considered Irish twins, both born in the same year. By the same woman as well. My son was a premature.
Is that Paola?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. My children's mom's name is Marifet. And she's from Nayarit, so she's from a place where a lot of beautiful women come out. Nayarit, Mexico. My kids are half Mexican.
So why do you think it didn't work out? Because you come from a stable mother, father, and the grandparent around, and your kids are 5 and you're a single dad.
But listen to this though. Let me backtrack though. So I said I was blessed up until my high school year. My mom ended up leaving the house, and I ended up staying with my dad. My dad raised all of us in our late teenage years. So me and my brothers and sisters. And I kind of feel like what I went through, like I feel like when my dad went through, I kind of went through in a way, a little bit, not like full on the same, but some things down the line, you know. But me and her, we didn't work out for various reasons, you know. But I wish her the best, and I'm here for my kids. Doing this for my kids. Had it not been for my kids, I wouldn't be here. And I say that because I'm just getting back into the music, but it took my daughter telling me, like, hey, Dad, I know who you are. I said, yeah, I'm your dad. No, I know who you are. I said, who? She said, you're famous. You're Compa Negro. I said, I watch your videos on YouTube when you're at work. I said, what? And that's when she told me she wanted to sing. And she doesn't speak Spanish, but she on that Selena vibe, singing in Spanish, man. So I said, I gotta be able to give you an opportunity. So I'm gonna get back into it, and that way I'm gonna be the one to give you the opportunity that I was never given, you know.